Now the question number 8 of exercise 8.1 of trigonometry chapter. The question is, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not equal. This equation is equal or not equal. So the solution of this question is as per given. 3 cot A is equal to 4. It can be written as cot A 4 by 3. We know that cotangent or cot is base upon perpendicular, opposite to tangent. So the triangle we construct from this is A, B, C. Base is 4 and perpendicular is 3. First we have to calculate the hypotenuse. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, we know that hypotenuse HBA, AB or BA, AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. It is after putting the values BC square, you know that 3 square plus CA 4 square. It will become as 9 plus 16. So AB comes out to be 25 under root is equal to 5. So AB hypotenuse comes out to be 5. From that, this we can find the other t ratios, trigonometric ratios, that is sin A, that is perpendicular BC by hypotenuse AB. BC perpendicular 3, hypotenuse divided by 5. Cos A, base upon hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5, and tan A, that is perpendicular divided by base, that is 3 by 4. So by putting these values in this equation, 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A, or 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. When we will put the values 1 minus 3 by 4 square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 square is equal to cos square A 4 by 5 square minus sin square 3 by 5 square. On calculating we get 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to 16 divided by 24 minus 9 by 25. 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. On further calculation, 16 minus 9 divided by 16. 16 plus 9 divided by 16 is equal to 25. Common LCM, least common factor, 16 minus 9. It will further on calculating becomes 7 by 16 divided by 25 by 16 is equal to 7 by 25. 5. Now this is left hand side, this is right hand side. 7 by 16 multiplied by 16 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. Left hand side cancelling 16 with 16, it will become 7 by 25. The right side is 7 by 25. So the solution is verified, means 1 minus tan square a or 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. That is the verification of the question. So this is the answer. Now the question number 8 of exercise 8.1, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by under root 3, find value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This is the first part. And second part, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So the solution of the question is like this. We have given tangent angle 1 by under root 3. Since we know that tangent is the perpendicular or base, so the triangle in this case is A B C. Perpendicular is 1 and base is under root 3. We have to find the hypotenuse. To find the value of hypotenuse, we proceed as in triangle ABC, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. By putting the values, base square under root 3 square plus 1 square, that comes out to be 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So hypotenuse comes out to be 2. Now from this we can calculate the trigonometric ratio as sin A angle, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 1 divided by 2, cos A is equal to base divided by hypotenuse, that is under root 3 divided by 2. Then sin C. Sin C, for sin C we have to consider this angle. So for, in this case the perpendicular is this. So sin C angle, perpendicular or hypotenuse remains the same. It comes under root 3 by 2. And cos C. Cos C ਲਈ this is the base. So base 1 divided by 2. So from this, now we will insert the values in equation 1 sin A. So the equation 1 becomes sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A value 1 by 2. This cos C value 1 by 2 plus cos A value under root 3 by 2 and multiplied by sin C value under root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, it will come out to be 1 by 4. Under root 3 by 2 multiplied by under root 3 by 2, it will come out to be 3 by 4. So LCM taking 4, 1 plus 3, it will become 4 by 4. Answer will comes out to be 1. The second part solution is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. When we will put the value of cos A under root 3 by 2, cos C multiplied by 1 by 2 minus sin A 1 by 2 multiplied by sin C under root 3 by 2. Multiplying this to this, it will become 3 under root multiplied by divided by 4 minus under root through 3 divided by 4. Since this is plus under root 3 by 4 and this is minus under root 3 by 4, it will comes out to be 0. So this is the solution of the second part of the question. The question number, this was 9. Now the question number 10 is, in triangle PQR, right angled at QPR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, we have to determine values of sin P, cos P and tangent P. The solution of the question is as, since we have given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter, we can write it as PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Note it by equation 1. Now we will have the second known value, that is PQ equal to 5 centimeter. So we will make the triangle as this, P Q R in triangle PQR, right angle triangle, we can find the hypotenuse as base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is PR square, base is PQ square, then perpendicular is RQ square. As per given, we have given PR 25 minus QR from this equation 1 square is equal to PQ square is 5 square, 5 centimeter square, plus RQ is we have to calculate. So for this we will do the simplification. 25 multiplied is 25, 625 minus QR square, that will become to be QR minus multiplied by minus QR, it will become plus. Then minus 50, 2 multiplied 25 multiplied by QR minus 50, QR is equal to 25, 5 multiplied 25 plus RQ square. Since this RQ and QR is same, so it is cancelled. We will have now become 625 minus 50 QR is equal to 25. We will carry this is 25 to other side. The equation will become minus 50 QR is equal to 25 minus 625. It will become minus 50 QR is equal to minus 600. Since both sides have minus sign, we can convert it into, change into plus sign. So QR value comes out to be 600 divided by 50. It will comes out to be 12 centimeter. So Q R value comes out to be 12. We have given PQ 5, and from this 12, by putting the value of QR in equation 1, so PR, put the value of QR in one equation, PR is equal to 25 minus 12, it will becomes out to be 13 centimeter. So PR becomes out to be 13 centimeter. From this we can find sin P, angle P, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Sin P perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. Cos P base divided by hypotenuse, that is 5 divided by 13. And tangent P, that is perpendicular divided by base, that is 12 by 5. That is the answer of this question.